What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with another huge airdrop update, and I feel like this one is kind of under the radar. This is not one that a lot of people are paying attention to, but this one is, in my opinion, really good here because you're already earning their coins. It kind of feels like Pi token or Helium, right? Where you're earning the coins based on something that has utility. And I'm going to share here what this is. And again, if you guys want to be up to date on all the airdrops, not just how to qualify before, but also after the claim date, because some claim dates are time sensitive, so you can do all the work and then the claim date comes, you don't claim it, you lose it, you don't get it. So if you guys want to be up to date, put the notification bell for this channel, follow me on Twitter, and if you guys want one-on-one, or if you guys want even more resources on being up to date on all this, join my Patreon for as low as $8. It's the lowest tier if you guys are interested. But let's talk about this airdrop here called Grass. Okay, I'm going to talk about what this project is and how you can already start earning. You can already start earning the Grass token, but the thing is, this token is not officially out yet. Okay, so it's kind of like Pi token, but let's talk about this. What this project is basically. Okay, you're earning the Grass token by using unused network resources, and what they're gonna use is the bandwidth. Now the thing is, it's going to be a small percentage of the bandwidth, and I've been using this for about a couple of days, and my Wi-Fi, my internet it feels the same. It's not like affecting it in a really bad way. It feels the same, and it really doesn't affect it negatively. So we can see right here on their homepage, and again, I'm gonna leave all the referral links in the pinned comment and description below. If you guys use my referral link, it helped me out a lot. So thank you in advance if you guys use my referral link. But I think you'll also get some points too. You should probably get some points by using my referral link in the pinned comment. But we can see right here, super easy to get started. I'm going to show you step by step. So I'm just talking a little bit about the project here. I'll learn about Grass. You can watch this video here. I don't want to show the video, but basically they're using your bandwidth and you're getting rewards, which is the Grass token, which is going to be the airdrop in rewards. The way that you do this, guys, is you're gonna click my referral in the pinned comment. After you click it, it should say, so look, after you click it, it should say something like this. So if you guys use that, thank you so much in advance. Create your account, okay? And then what you want to do is you're going to get this right here, which I'll also link in the description, which is the official one. Okay, so click on the pinned comment description link. This is the official one. It's called Grass Extension. You're going to put this either on your Chrome or Brave browser, whichever one you guys use. And now I'm going to show you guys here the dashboard. And I'm just going to put this up here so it doesn't show up, some details about my dashboard. And it's super simple. Okay, basically, this is how much I earned so far. Okay. And right here it tells you if you're connected or not. It should say connected, and right here it says today's earnings, and this is how much Grass token I earned so far just by using my bandwidth. And like I said, it's the small percentage, it's a small part of the bandwidth. It's not going to affect it. And the thing is, your bandwidth, it's not even being used fully, so you're giving a little bit of it and it's not going to affect you any way. And the extension, when you click on it, I don't think you guys can see it because my webcam right here, but it doesn't really say that much. All it says is if it's connected, and you can see right here open dashboard and all that. But really the dashboard is really where it's all about. It tells you here how much you earned. But I'm telling you guys, definitely get into this. It's very under the radar. Use my link again in the pinned comment. You can see you can follow them on Twitter as well, so you guys can be up to date. But I'm gonna keep you guys up to date on when they do have their token airdrop, when it's like officially out and you can like sell it or do whatever you want with it. And also on updates regarding here, because they're gonna have some big updates on other ways they can earn the Grass token, whether on the Discord and all that. So please follow so I can keep you guys up to date. And this is a very under the radar airdrop, and usually the airdrops that are under the radar are usually the best paying ones, right? We saw that with a couple ones these last couple months, so definitely one to look into. And another big thing is that it has utility, right? This is not like some random project. This actually has utility. It's using something, unused network resources in a decentralized way. So really good. If you guys liked it, definitely follow. And again, thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget to join the Patreon if you guys are interested. Peace.